Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to make
The most famous Nepali dish,
that is the Momo, and we are so excited today. So let's get started.
Yes. So now I'm going to make the filling for the Momo, and we have buffalo meat here, so which I got from the local butchery. And this is the onions. I've minced it really small so that it goes with the, it disappears inside the Momo. And this is the minced tomatoes. And I also have minced garlic. I don't have ginger, so we just made minced garlic, and this is the coriander. So that's all that I have, and I'll show you the rest of the spices as we go along.
Okay, I'm super excited.
Yes, super excited. So let me start mixing these things up.
Okay.
Okay. So first I'll add the onions. So I've added one big piece of onions. So I'm going to add tomatoes now. So these are, I think, 3 big pieces of tomatoes. Okay, some garlic.
Minced garlic, right?
Minced garlic. So
Do we need to add ginger?
yes, it's better to add ginger, but we don't
This
add
time.
ginger today, so we just added garlic instead. So let's just mix. So now we're mixing it all together. So we mix it until everything is inside properly. So I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of coriander and cumin powder, and 1 full red Kashmiri chili powder. So I'm going to add two of them, and salt as per taste. So we have this Momo masala, so which we got from the nearest Nepali store, and we add a little bit of this Momo masala
Yeah.
and a little bit of sunflower oil, just so that it goes with the mix. And we're mixing everything really well. Make sure everything goes on each corner.
Okay. The smell is also so nice.
Yes, the smell is really good. So after mixing everything, now I'm going to add coriander. So you can see it's finely diced coriander. So we're mixing this now, and look at this. This looks so yummy.
Oh my god, I'm already so much hungry. I'm gonna eat a lot of momos today.
Yes,
So Niranjan, how many momos you are gonna eat today?
I can have at least 20 momos today.
20?
Yep.
Okay,
How
let's
about
see.
you?
I'm not sure. I think maybe 10, 12 or maybe more.
Yeah. See this looks really well, and you see the feeling looks really good.
Yeah, love it. So guys, as my husband has already prepared this wonderful filling of the Momo, so now I'm gonna create the wrapping of the Momos. So I have here, I've spread the cling wrap over here to spread all the dumplings, which is the Momo. And here we have this Momo wrap, which is already made. So we can do it by our oneself, and we can also buy this in the shop. So this is a really convenient one. I'm going to spread it first. So guys, I have spread all these Momo wraps over here, and I'm gonna fill one of the dumplings and show you guys how to wrap it. But I'm not a pro in wrapping, and we are beginners as well in this part. So I'm gonna take some filling, maybe a little more. Alright, so what we are gonna do is take some water in my hand. I'm just going to take a little part like that and wrap it like this, like this, creating a pleat kind of thing, and wrap, 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 and wrap, and just I'm gonna put it over like that. So here we have a little Momo. This is my first Momo, guys, so this is one of them. So let's do one more. Put the filling over here. Take some water in your hand, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press it over like that, and then just put like this, and I'm just gonna make it round and round. Basically we are creating a design like that, and this we are going to press it a little, and this is it, Momo. So likewise I'm gonna make it all and show you guys. I'll show you guys at the end when I'm finished.
So I'm roasting some peanuts right at the moment. This is for the sauce for Momo, peanut sauce. So I have roasted tomatoes and garlic. I've roasted 3 tomatoes and 3 pieces of garlic for the peanut sauce for Momo. The thing about Momo is that it's the sauce that gives it a flavor and makes it really good. So we have everything ready for the sauce, the peanut sauce for Momo. So this is the roasted tomatoes and roasted garlic. So I have 3 roasted tomatoes and 3 roasted garlic over here. Then I have a homemade chili oil, so I have fried green chilies and chili flakes. And the rest is, another one is peanuts. So I've roasted some peanuts, and I'm not going to use all of them. And finally I have some coarsely chopped coriander. So I'm going to add tomatoes into the mixer first. So I've already cooled it down, so it's cooled. Roasted tomatoes and garlic. Garlic gives it a really good flavor, so I've added garlic as well. And there's roasted chili oil. So these are the green chilies and chili flakes. So I've added them, and I will also add a little bit of peanuts. I don't want to add a lot of them. So what the peanuts does is that peanuts brings down the flavor of the chilies, and it really sweetens up the tongue. And at last I'll put a little bit of coriander here. Additionally, I know I shouldn't stuff a lot of things here, but so I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of red chili powder again, some cumin and coriander powder. Basically I'm going to add a little bit of water just so everything mixes up. Let's close it, and we now mix it all together. This should be the consistency of the sauce. So I'll just tell you, it's really good. Looks yummy, right? So it's a little bit thick, I know, but let me show you the magic. So what I usually do is, you can see there's pieces. There are some residue over here. So basically I put a little bit of water, close it.
That's a good trick.
And then shake it.
Okay.
And then most of the residue is out. And the consistency is really good.
Looks amazing.
This looks amazing, right?
Yeah.
Guys, this is the final look of the pickle.
Wow, looks yummy.
really yummy.
Yeah, I want to have it very soon. I'm so excited.
Yes. And the consistency, it's really thick. Usually people would love it like, you know, a little bit watery as well. But I really love it as thick as it
A
can
little
be.
thick, yeah, we love it.
So going back to Aayusha. So Aayusha, how many momos have you made? Oh my god, that's a lot.
Yeah, I think I'm really fond of making momos. So
Yes, you've become a momo wrapping expert.
yeah, with one extra momo, I'm gaining like the skill of making momos. So yeah, I think I'm getting a little speed up by doing a lot, and I'm so addicted to it. Yeah, so this is it. I have a few more, then we are gonna steam it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm going to put oil in this steamer so that the momo doesn't stick.
So guys, now I have wrapped a packet of momos. So I'm going to keep this in this container. It's a momo maker steamer. So we have already spread a little oil, right? So now I'm gonna keep momo here. So I'm gonna keep it one by one with a little space. Like this.
There is this one.
I think is that enough, or I'm gonna adjust it here?
Just one more.
One more? I think it will not stick, right?
No, it won't. As long as it doesn't touch each other.
Yeah. Okay.
Should be okay.
This is exciting. After some time, we're gonna have tasty momos. One steamer is already full, so I'm gonna keep it in another one. I'm gonna keep it with the same distance. Okay, that's it.
Okay, so it goes in the steamer now. So we've already started boiling the water.
So I'll just put the momo in the steamer and I'll close it now. And after how many minutes it will steam?
So it should steam after 10 minutes.
Okay.
We will show you how it goes after that. So momo is almost ready. The momo is ready now.
So guys, our delicious and yummy momo is ready now. And I'm super excited to have it. It looks so yummy and juicy as well, with the pickle, with the sauce inside. And I will show you guys how we like it. So let's see our reaction. So guys, we're gonna try the momo, right?
So let's try it, right?
Let's have the first momo and let's see how it is. Okay. My God,
Really good.
really nice, really yummy.
I can't stop.
Yeah, let's see. The sauce is so good, guys. So guys, now we're gonna finish all these momo we have. So we're gonna end this video, and it's really yummy. And thanks to my husband for the recipe. And we'll make such kind of videos every now and then. So for now, I'm ending this vlog, and thanks so much guys for watching this video.
See ya.
See ya.